Bonafide Hustler here. I'm outside of my antique booth and we're starting a thrift vlog. Let's see where it all takes us. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from 105 degrees Austin, Texas, and it is really hot. But I'm outside of the antique booth. I'm gonna drop off some things. There's a lot of music going on in there, so I'll probably get a copyright strike, but I'll show you these items in a second. You can follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can also get this free guide on how to flip 50 items that you can commonly find at thrift stores and garage sales. So, all right, let's get in the booth. It's so hot outside. It's like crazy. Yeah, Austin Antique Mall. You can come check out my booth. It's booth 199 in this place. There's like a speaker directly over my booth, so I'll definitely get a copyright strike. From the previous vlog, I'm putting this shirt in, these boots, and that mirror right there. All right, guys, so I'm actually at garage sales right now with my friend Matt.
Yo, yo, yo.
That's right. So if you actually check out the Bod Damn channel and like the Bod Damn Instagram and all that kind of stuff, you're gonna see Matt as like my lead friend, workout partner, all that kind of stuff. So I just came from a garage sale. He's actually tagging along today to see how garage sale days go down. And shout out, by the way, to Matt Jackson and Mike Solis, who we saw about 20 minutes ago at a garage sale. At this garage sale, I found three things, actually. I was gonna say two, but three. The first thing is $1. It doesn't have the cord, but this Sony Bluetooth speaker, it is incredibly heavy. And it's not like, yeah, it's in decent shape. It's not the everyday kind of thing that you see. The speaker grill is not damaged by any means, but it's very heavy, which means the magnet inside with the actual speaker is probably pretty big and high quality. So I'm gonna figure out how to get this thing charged when I get to the house. I might actually have a cord there. This was $1. It should be awesome, but I'll probably end up keeping it. In Matt's hands right here, we have a globe that was $2. That's gonna go in my booth for around 20 to 40. And then we have this like motorcycle kind of cafe racer style helmet that Japanese is super nice. Yeah, it's like a Japanese kind of zero look to it.
Badass.
Super cool. And then inside it actually has really neat interior, but it also has like, you know, stuff for speakers and stuff in there. So really neat. That was $5. And I think in my booth, I'm trying to throw it at my booth. I'll probably put it in for, I don't know, 50 to 100 easily. Nice. So those are the first finds of the morning. We're gonna see like one or two more garage sales. I do have some things at the house I wanna show you guys, but if you're liking this video, make sure you hit the like button. I got some cool stuff at the house, regardless, that I'll show you later in this video. Okay, you wouldn't believe the craziness that we found at this garage sale. Matt's holding some of the craziness right here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Those are 20 bucks. I have so much to discuss with you guys. There's like a million cool things here.
Free.
Oh yeah.
Free Oakleys.
Free Oakleys. Crazy, crazy stuff. I cannot believe it. Most of our stuff's in bags, so when I get to the house, I'm gonna show you guys everything I bought. There's just crazy deals here. I spent 40 bucks. I felt like the world. I feel like the world and profit's gonna come through. Look at these things. These are not deer antlers. These are clearly antelope.
Elk.
Antelope. All right, from this garage sale right here, very unsuspecting, rogue garage sale, meaning there were just signs posted, but it wasn't on any kind of apps or anything like that. Got these cowboy boots. These are alligator, really nice, 30 bucks. I'm gonna be asking 250, 300 in my booth for these, and that's because things like this in the booth are in that price range now. They're like, you know, crappy condition, be like 200 bucks, but these are in really good condition. So anyways, 250 to 300, I'm gonna ask for these boots. Paid 30 for them at that garage sale. Can't wait to show you guys the stuff at the house. We bought so much stuff today. So I'm back at the house. I'm gonna show you the stuff in the garage, by the way. Makes no sense for me to take this out to show you at the house and put it back in my car. But we did get a window right here, a window for $750, and then there's other window for $750 as well. This one kind of has like, it's been coated with, on the other side, a chalkboard type material, so you can actually write on the back of this. Anyway, these are actually like super awesome windows in my booth. 50 to 60 for this, and this one maybe 60 to 70 bucks for that. And then those elk antlers are really awesome. I can't believe I got my hands on those. 20 bucks for both. And those will definitely sell well in my booth. There's an awesome bag over there, but we're gonna take this stuff inside and I'll show you everything. All right, this is all the stuff from today. Got this really cool blanket, which I'm gonna probably keep and put in my SUV. It's nothing really crazy, but it has a pretty cool little Bonafide Hustler guy on it. Little cheddar hunter himself, there he is. See, it's like a little neat blanket thing. Might be wool. Has a hole right here, but I'm okay with that, especially if it's gonna be in my truck. Got a little dancer dude, you know? Little Bonafide hustler right there. Nice colors, perfect little throw. That was basically thrown into this deal. We also got a bunch of other cool stuff. I think I'm gonna actually put this on eBay for right around 50 to 100 bucks. It's a youth Jurassic Park sweater from 1992. Super cool, very rare. I mean, awesome, awesome, right? It can end up in my booth if it doesn't sell on eBay. I'm not seeing any real crazy holes or anything. I'm just looking around right now. I didn't get the greatest look on it, but you know, it was basically part of the deal. That's pretty sick. So the garage sale I found, you know, the blanket, this stuff, I spent 40 bucks and that was with the antlers and everything like that. So you can kind of figure out what everything was kind of costing. Little neat CC motorcycle racing hat. I'll be asking about 20 bucks in my booth for that. Winter Hawks hat right here. Asking about 20 bucks in the booth for that. We have a Levi's shirt, which I think is more of a current day, but it's still really nice, right? Made in China, obviously a current day Levi's shirt, really cool. Size medium. Probably ask about 40 in the booth for this, maybe 35. Got an awesome Japanese, you know, bobber helmet right there. Knew these are around 120. I'll be asking about 50 bucks in the booth for that. These gator boots are super cool. Upon, you know, further inspection, I think I'm going to ask about 175 for these in the booth. They're in nice condition. This I'm probably going to put on eBay. It's an actual 1985 Yamaha Laguna Seca tour hat. It's kind of, you know, ugly, but there are hats somewhat similar to this that are, you know, over 100 bucks asking price. So we'll see. Maybe I can get, you know, north of 50 would be kind of cool. We'll see where this shakes out eventually in one of the videos. But it's a neat little hat, not something you see every single day. Also got this awesome laptop bag right here. Right? This is made out of buffalo hide or buffalo leather. Really cool condition. This was like 10 bucks in the deal of the $40 deal, you know? So not too bad. It's a laptop briefcase, about 17 inches diagonal kind of thing. Perfect condition. In fact, it still has the silica gel packs inside, which means it's brand new. I'll be asking around 100 in the booth for that. Really awesome scores. I mean, dude, I can't believe it. And the antlers, you know, and the window panes that are in the car. I just want to make sure I get this stuff in there so, you know, it can be booth bound here in a second. But I wanted to make sure I showed you guys those things. A couple days down the road, gonna sell this bike that's sitting right here. Don't know if you can see it. Hold on. You can see the bike right there. That bike was 50 bucks. Should be selling it for like $250. So some bucks to bucks. Let's get this thing sold. Old Specialized rock hopper. This thing is super cool. Hey, what's up, man? The guy actually picked up the bike, got cash money in the wallet, which is good. Yeah, I went to a person that really appreciates that bike for what it is. Speaking of bikes, I want to show you one tomorrow morning that I got the other day. Pretty cool. All right, we're outside the Bonafide Hustler house, and we have a bike right here. This was $5, or like $5.50 from a Goodwill. It's a Trek MT60. It's a cool bike. Front shocks, has gears. Kids bike. These are around 300 bucks brand new, if not more. So this MT60 right here should sell for right around $80 to $100. Pick them up if you see these in your hometown. A lot of times the seat will be really high because the kid that was on it, you know, grew out of it, so it'll be up here somewhere. You have to make sure you put that seat down, clean it all up, make it look good, and you should be able to make some pretty good money. Bikes to bucks. All right, let's go inside the garage. We're back in the goddamn garage, and there's something I picked up the other day for around $16. And it's an as-is kind of deal. Large format Epson Stylus Pro 3880. In crappy condition, I think these are selling on eBay for around 300 to 500 bucks. So I gotta plug this thing in. It does have the plug. Large format. I mean, it looks pretty nice, to be honest. I mean, it looks really good. Hopefully it's been turned on and stuff. I have no idea, but oftentimes large format printers, if you can figure out how to ship them, they're way worth it on eBay to ship them. But I might try to sell this thing locally. We'll see, 200 to 300 bucks. But yeah, that pretty much does the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I want to open up another one tomorrow. We got garage sales going down. Hit the like button, follow me, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.